Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have the first segment of my kind of planner sticker haul video. This is basically going to include not only Etsy stickers but just planning things that I've gotten from like the Target dollar section or Michael's or just anything planner related that I've hauled in the recent days. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this. This is actually from an Etsy shop. Most of you guys probably already know. This is from Once More with Love. And I am so happy. And look at this cute thing. This is actually a magnet that my boyfriend got me for Christmas. And it's so cute. Okay, let's just go ahead and move on. I have opened this package already, but it just says thank you. You've got Happy Mail. And like I said, I've opened it already, so it's kind of like all over the place. But this is the card that it came with, and it just says love is all around, and it just has my order. So these are the stickers that I got, and this is just the freebie that it comes with. These are really cute. And I haven't ordered any stickers from just any Etsy shops at all in quite some time, so I had to get a couple of sheets. The first thing that I got is the 2-year, I believe, anniversary favorite Munchkin stickers, and I just really like these because they just have a variety of different Munchkins. And then we have this really cute Happy Munchkin stickers. I got these reading stickers because for this semester I have a lot to read for my classes, so I thought that these would come in handy. Then I have these FaceTime stickers because I FaceTime my boyfriend Paul a lot since we don't see each other like every day, as well as to use when I FaceTime my family from Peru. Then I got these kind of movie night stickers, these Amazon stickers because I tend to buy a lot of things from Amazon, so I thought those would come in handy. And these next two stickers are for my trip to Italy. I'm actually going to Italy this summer. I feel like I keep telling you guys in just different videos that I have, my beauty related or my planning videos, but I thought these would come in handy for when I go in the summer. So I got these just traveling stickers, and then I got the Italy Venice stickers. I'm actually going to be landing in Rome, but I definitely want to go to Venice just so I can use all these cute stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that a goal for the summer. And then I got the wacky holidays. I got the February ones and the March ones, and that's basically all that I got from Once More with Love. Then look at all the mess that I have here just from different shops. Let me just go ahead and get all this situated. Okay, so these are the washi tapes that I've accumulated from this past month. We're going to go ahead and start with this one because this one's the only one that I have from Daiso. It just has cats. I just thought it was really cute. I don't have any like pets or anything, but I absolutely love cats. And there's even a fish in here. So, you know, I thought it would be really cute just to put in my planner eventually. Then I have these from Target that I got. I got decorative ones. These are kind of like lacy ones. Then I have this Valentine's Day one that just has I love you in just different languages, which I really like. Then we have this decorative glitter tape that's just basically glittery hearts. We have this pink glitter tape. This is one of my favorites. It has kind of like those sweethearts glitter tape, and then another one of those lace glitter washi tapes. You guys are probably going to see this video way past Valentine's Day, but I just have to plan, and I'm going to go ahead and use these soon, so please don't judge me. Thanks. Then from other things from the dollar spot, I got these cute little highlighters, and the reason I got these were because they have kind of like lipsticks and then just cute little prints, so I thought those were cute. Then from Daiso, I got these cute little lamb post-its. More post-its. These I got from the Target dollar section. I think Paul got me these actually. But yeah, these are really pretty. I haven't even used them because I've had them all in a bag, but I'm gonna try to use them soon. Then I got this one just because, again, the lipstick, I thought it was really cute. Then I got these like letter stickers that I wanted to use for Valentine's Day, but I didn't end up doing anything, so I didn't use them. But I could probably use them for like just decoration for like my room or anything. And then I have these cute sweetheart stickers from Target as well. I also got this like long sticky note that just basically has all the days of the week, and this is just perfect for pre-planning my spreads or post-planning actually, because usually plan after the week is over. So this just really helps just so I can remember what I did. So then when I get to planning, I have everything that I need. Then for Valentine's Day, my mom got me this. I'm sorry if you guys can't see really. This is just a dry erase weekly calendar, which is kind of similar to the little paper that I have, but you can put like little push pins here with pictures, so I think that's what I'm going to do. And it just has this and the pen, and she also got me some push pins just to put like some pictures or just notes that I have to do within the week. So I'm really happy about this. And the last time that I went over to Michael's, I actually have a vlog on that if you guys are interested in watching that. It was just like a shopping day with my mom, but I got this little sticker book, and it kind of was on the pricier side. It was, I believe, $8, but I did have a 40% off coupon, which they usually tend to have a lot, so that's why I got it. But I want to go ahead and show you guys. So these are the stickers that comes inside, and I think these are perfect for like traveler notebooks or personal planners. And honestly, I'm not even gonna lie, the reason why I got these stickers were because of the cherries. It's so funny. I haven't used them yet, but I just think they're so cute and super handy just for anything that you may need them for. And it's just really, really cute. So this is what it looks like, and it does have a lot of stickers, so I do understand why it's like $8. And like I said, you could always use a 40% off coupon, and it's just super practical and super cute. The only thing that I don't like is that this is kind of leaving a mark, so I'm just gonna leave it there, I guess, and switch it off. But it's just so cute. I love it. I also got this sticker book from the Target dollar section, and I hadn't noticed until I was like looking through my stickers to plan. But this was only $1. And it has all of these. The only thing is that I think this is perfect. It's perfect because they're so small, and they just have different stickers and they're just different colorways. But look at this, guys. When I saw it, I was just like, what? So this looks like this, right? And then look at this one. It's like upside down. Like they didn't put it right. And I mean, it's cut like kind of right. And I mean, I can still use these, you know, but it was just so funny to me that it was like that. But it was the last one left, and I don't really mind that because, you know, it's not too bad. It's not to the point that I'm just like, oh my god, what is this? You know? So, and it's all these stickers for $1. So you guys should definitely check the dollar spot at Target. They have some really, really awesome and inexpensive things. Hey guys, so welcome back, and this is a very delayed haul that I still need to get up. As you guys can see, I have new nails and they're kind of a little bit old, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish my haul. It's been a couple of days, maybe weeks actually. I'll start with these paper clips. So these paper clips are from my Etsy shop called Little Miss Daisy Rose, and I have not used them even though I've had them for a couple days, just because I wanted to show you guys them first. So I got 3 paper clips. I got this kind of pinky Starbucks Frappuccino planner clip. I got this cute little cat that reminds me of Hello Kitty actually, and this cute kind of donut heart paper clips, and these are really, really cute, and I thought they would match perfectly with my planner. If you guys haven't seen my planner, I do have a video talking all about my planner and a plan with me along with it, so I'll go ahead and link that below. But yeah, I really, really like these. They're just really, really cute to me, and I can't wait to put them on my planner. Then last but not least, I did get some SBC mail. These are actually from her more SBC shop, so it's not her main shop, but she was having sale on these. Was it for Valentine's? No, it was for Galentine's Day. See guys, that's how long ago I've kind of had these items. So this is just what the postcard looks like, and it just has the Easter theme. Good thing Easter is not here yet, so I can still use those. This is what the freebie looks like. It's just the cute scribblers sampler, which is kind of funny because I actually did buy a sheet full of these girls because I didn't know that was going to come in with the order. So we'll just start with that. So I got some of these, some St. Patrick Day stickers, some Easter stickers. I also got this kind of, it was kind of Valentine's Day, but I also could use it when I'm like really happy or excited about something. or when I'm drinking wine or when I get roses. So I thought those were cute. Then I also got these school and studying stickers because I definitely need these, just because school has been crazy, guys, not even gonna lie. And then last but not least, I got this like sampler, and this girl that I got is her name is Celeste. I forgot to mention, but I believe she does have about like, I think it's them 3 that she has in the shop. So I wish she had kind of redhead ones, but I know a lot of people don't have red hair, so I understand why she wouldn't do those. But I really like this, and that's basically it for this haul. I'm so sorry that I'm uploading it late, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let me know any Etsy shops that you guys love shopping at. I would definitely love discovering new shops. The only thing with the shops is that I don't really need to buy stickers for like Erin Condren. I need more like character stickers or decorative stickers, just because I don't really have the need for any kids. So if you guys know of any shops that have decorative stickers or kind of character stickers like these, please do comment that down below. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, like I said, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.